Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel. Now with that said trackies, I was apparently stuck in holiday mode, but I'm out. I'm out because the Jamaican team has been released or announced that will be heading off to Budapest later this month for the World Championships, and I am 100% excited. However, off the bat there are a few eyebrow raising moments on this list, and I'm definitely going to get into that. But before, I just want to give a big shout out and congrats to the team heading off to the World Championships. We can't wait to support you whilst you rep black, green, and gold. Jamaica is doing crazy things on the world stage. So yeah, go out and show them what we can do on the track and in the field as well in this particular sport. Now with that said, the women's 200 meters, what is going on here? Now in the list, I see Sharika Jackson, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, Kevona Davis, and Natalia White as the four entrance trackies that will be lining up. Remember, we can send four because Sharika is the defending champion. But unless you forgot, trackies, Lanae Thomas finished third, in the 200 meters at the trials. So the big question is, what happened with her and why is she not on the list? And they have an alternate here as Sasha Lee Forbes. Now, thinking about it, my only thought process is that maybe, her transfer of allegiance did not come through in time to be selected for the team to the World Championships, which is very unfortunate for her because, again, she's run a very solid time, at the senior trials and was looking, forward to, rep the black, green, and gold as a professional athlete because she's now gone pro, signed with Puma. So, I'm waiting to get the full details as it relates to Lanae, but yeah, that's how it stands right now in the 200 meters for her. Next up on the list is the men's 400 meters. Now, this was clearly, a big talking point because Rusheen McDonald went on a tear, around Europe and was running some crazy sub 45-second runs with his fastest so far being 44.03. And the big question was, will he be selected for the team individually to go to the World Championships? Well, trackies, it appears he has not been selected for the individual team. Now, at the time, we had two athletes that placed in the top three, that had the qualifying standard time, and then it would be left for the other athletes to try to get that time going in. The only athlete that had the time in the finals, apart from the two that finished top two, was Zandrian Barnes, and he gets the spot to head off to the World Championships. And Rusheen McDonald, that did not enter the final because he had a back issue, will miss out on the individual, event at the World Championships. However, he does line up in the mixed relay, which again is very shocking because he's not even considered for the male 4x4 team, but the mixed relay team. That's a very interesting selection there. But trackies, you tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. I know a lot of y'all wanted to see him head off to the World Championships and, of course, be a part of that 400-meter team individually. But it seems he has been relegated to only, the mixed relays. Sound off and let me know your thoughts on that particular issue. I'm seeing here also in the women's 4x100 meters that Elaine Thompson-Herah is on the list. So it seems as though, she has accepted, the spot and will be heading off to the World Championships to rep Jamaica in the 4x1. I am definitely excited for her and happy that she did, take up the spot on the team. I want to see her out there run. And a medal is a medal at the end of the day. Whether it is the, relay or individual, that's a solid medal, to add to her accolades. So again, can't wait to see her line up on the track in that event as well. Now I see here where they have Rohan Watson as an alternate in the men's 100 meters. I'm not sure why he's an alternate, seen as though he's also part of, the individual, team. So that's, a little concerning. I don't know if they made an error there, but, let's hear the results going forward as it relates to that. Also, track is in the men's 4x100 meters. There's no Kishane Thompson that will be lining up in the 4x1 for Jamaica. The team selected will be Ryan Ford, Oblique Seville, Akeem Blake, Taekwondo Tracy, and Michael Campbell as the team, that will be a part of the 4x1. Anyway, Chuckies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you make of this, lineup heading into, the World Championships? Are you surprised by some of the selections here or some of the athletes that were not selected? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And as usual, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.